starting route on my bike ride in the morning. Show you a perspective of where my route is going. I'm gonna go head into Cruces. Should take me about 40 minutes. I'll give you little shots along the way. Coming up on Porter. This is Highway 70. I'm gonna go on the Flange Road west. West Inler. It's 2 miles. It's about 9 minutes so far into the bike ride. I'm going to be heading towards Orna. Stop the video here and pick it up when we get onto the dirt road on Hornada. Over here by the Mesa Elementary School, still on Hornada. Been about 17 minutes into the ride. Side road, dirt road. This should bring me west. I'm going around the base of that mountain over there. Up on the roundabout. Red Hawk Golf Course Road. There's a roundabout. There's the golf course over there. I'll give you another video update in a little bit. We'll continue the bike ride going on off the roundabout, heading west on this dirt road, and then I'll be turning south in about less than a quarter mile. Video update, about 6.5 miles, about 35 minutes into the bike ride. I'm still heading south on this road, dirt road that goes parallel with the Red Hawk Golf Course Road. You can see I'm at the not at the base, but pretty close to the base of that the Tower Peak mountain. You can see the towers, antenna towers up there, water tank over there. There's a house. I've done that route in the past. I'm gonna go do it today. It's a little bit rougher, video might be a lot more shaky, but there's a view of that Tower Peak mountain there. I'll be heading down, continue down this dirt road here, heading south. And if you look back that way, that's towards the Organs. That's Red Hawk Road down there. Let's continue on. Got another rider coming up. Howdy. Looks like this is the area that they're developing to make residential houses. Atlas Road. 40 minutes into the bike ride. It's about 7.5 miles. Engler Road. I'm gonna head west on it and then get another switchback dirt road that will take me south. There's a power electrical substation over there. This is Center Pass Road. This will intersect with Rinconada, and I will give you another video update when I get to Rinconada and Highway 70. Video update on Rinconada. It's 53 minutes into the ride, 9.5 miles. Coming up Rinconada and Highway 70. We're under Highway 70. We're gonna stay on Rinconada, and at the light I will head east, which takes me parallel to Highway 70. There's a new Walmart up ahead. Should be opening sometime this summer. Over here at North Rise in Soma Ranch, 60 minutes, an hour into the bike ride. Gone 10.5 miles. I will continue down on North Rise and then take another dirt road that will bring me up by Onyate High School. Video update, 11.5 miles, about an hour and 7 minutes into the ride. I'm on the dirt road that will bring me up to the backside of Onyate High School. Big bump. Residential area here. east, Highway 70. An hour and 30 minutes, 15 miles. I hope you guys enjoyed that video of this route.